In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert math equations in Google Forms. Start by opening Google Forms and going into the form you want to edit. You should be on the editing screen where you can see your questions and sections. In this example, we are working in a simple form, but the same process works in any form you create. Next, move to the area where you want the math equation to appear. If your form is set up with sections, use the section navigation option called Continue to Next Section. Click it, and then click it again to move forward as needed. This helps you place your equation in the correct part of the form, especially when you are building a multi-part quiz or assignment. Once you are in the right spot, click into the element you want to edit, then select the text area so it is highlighted. You may need to click the same area a few times until the correct field is active and ready for changes. Take your time here, because Google Forms has separate areas for titles, descriptions, and question text, and you want the equation to appear in the right one. Now you are ready to insert the actual math equation. In Google Forms, equations are typically added as images. Open the Image Insert option from the Form Editor, then choose the By URL tab. This allows you to paste a direct image link for an equation that you created elsewhere. Click into the URL field so it is highlighted, and type or paste your image URL carefully. Make sure the link points directly to an image file so it loads correctly. After the URL is entered, click Insert Image. Google Forms will place the equation image into your form where you selected earlier. If the image is not positioned the way you want, click the image to select it. With the image selected, use the alignment option and choose Center Align. This makes the equation easier to read and gives your form a cleaner, more professional layout. Finally, click back into the text area if you need to add or adjust accompanying text, and confirm the correct item is highlighted. If an equation editor option appears, select the fraction tool to format a fraction properly, so the numerator and denominator are clear. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.